India. Kemi Badenoch, the leader of the British Labour or Conservative Party. We are proud of her, in spite of her efforts at denigrating her nation of origin. She is entitled to her own opinions. She has even every right to remove the Kemi from her name. But that does not underscore the fact that the greatest black nation on earth is the nation called Nigeria. As a source of life in all societies. Rishi Sunak, the former British Prime Minister, is originally from India. A very brilliant young man. He never denigrated his nation of ancestry, nor poured venoms on India. Kemi Badenoch, the leader of the British Labour or Conservative Party. We are proud of her.
Ogao, Nigeria's vice president launches attack on Tory leader Kemi Badenoch. Nigeria's vice president launched a scathing attack on UK Conservative Party leader Kemi Badenoch in an apparent response to a comment on the West Africa country where she spent most of her childhood. Kemi Shettima said in a speech on migration that Badenoch was free to change her Nigeria first name in a surprising departure from the norm in a country that often champions members of its diaspora. Kemi Badenoch, the leader of the British Conservative Party, we are proud of her in spite of her efforts and denigrating her name of origin. Shettima said on Monday in his address in the Nigeria capital, Abuja. She is entitled to her own opinions. She has even every right to remove the Kemi from her name, but that does not underscore the fact that the greatest black nation on earth is the nation called Nigeria. Really? 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 So the greatest black nation on earth is Nigeria. Emma, Shetiri, abalajo tí wọ́n ṣe bọ́dà láti ṣe nǹkan kan sí Nigeria. Èyàn wọnú Nigeria, èyàn ní òun ni the greatest black nation on earth. Anyway, ibẹ̀ kọ́ là lọ. Mo kíwa gbogbo ibikíbi tẹ́ bá wà tẹ́tí ń gbọ́ mi àbí tẹ́tí ń wò mí. Orúkọ tèmi ò yí padà rárá. Yèyé dára kòwé kò ó lè mí jẹ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́gbẹ́ lẹ́nu Shettima fúnra lára ìta tó kà nínú ìwé ìròyìn fún yín. My own question, my Yoruba people. Ẹ̀yin èèyàn ọmọ Yorùbá nílé lóko lẹ́yìn odi. Àgàgà ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní London. Mo mọ̀ wípé àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá aláìka àbòsí àtọ̀tẹ̀. Ṣùgbọ́n ṣá, Kemi Badenoch is not your problem. Torí mo ń gbọ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ wà ní UK lẹ́ ń condemn lady yẹn náà. Yo kò sọ̀rọ̀ dáadáa nípa yín, kò ṣe gbá kò ṣàwo, gbogbo wa kọ́ la máa ronú síbì kan náà. Ó ṣe dáadáa kò ṣe dáadáa. Ẹ má tàánú o. Ẹ má tàánú, ẹ má tún fi jí àwọn nọ́dánà o. Ṣé ti rí pé àwọn nọ́dánà wọ́n tún ti kọjú wọn sí Kemi Badenoch nsìn. Ṣé kò ní surprise ẹ wípé nínú gbogbo rògbòdìyàn tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú Nàìjíríà tí ìyà ń jẹ gbogbo everybody, pẹ̀lú gbogbo oríṣiríṣi ogun tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀, insecurity wà ńbẹ̀, economic crisis wà ńbẹ̀, hardship wà ńbẹ̀, gbogbo everything ló ní problem ló kọjú Nàìjíríà. Vice President Kashim Shettima kò wá rí nǹkan ẹyọ kan báyìí tákù nínú ẹ̀. Ó wá jẹ́ Kemi Badenoch tó ń ṣayé ara ẹ̀ ní UK tí Nigeria government ò mọ bí ọmọ ọlọ́mọ tó ti rìnrìn àjò ayé ẹ̀bọ̀ títí tó fi débi tó délé ní tó wá escalate. Nigeria government wá fẹ́ claim glory yẹn. Ìgbà yẹn ni wọ́n mọ̀ lójijì wípé ọmọ wọn ni. Ẹjọ́ kí ló dé tí Vice President Kashim Shettima kí ló dé tí ò make mention Kemi Badenoch some years back or ẹ̀tẹ̀já sọ pé last year? Èèyàn mélòó nínú wa la mọ̀ nípa Kemi Badenoch tí ò bá jẹ́ wípé achievement yẹ ní ìlú UK as a conservative political leader. Nigeria government sáré lọ́bẹ̀. Ṣé bẹ́ẹ̀ rí sister wa náà? Honorable Abike Dabiri. Àwọn náà wọ́n gbéjà kó Kemi lójú. Tó bá sọ wípé òun ò bá Nàìjíríà ṣe, òun ò fẹ́ ní kankan ṣe, kò ṣe dandan. Nobody is going to force her. Let her be. Allow her to breathe. No be by force. If Kemi Badenoch says she doesn't want to have anything to do with you, Nigeria political elite, or as a Nigeria as a country, then allow our own policy. Allow her be. That is her decision. That is her decision. And by the way, what is happening in Nigeria that can make any Nigerian in diaspora be proud of Nigeria as a country? Nothing. Ó ti tó stage débi wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ọmọ Nàìjíríà gan tí wọ́n ti become a citizen ìlú bòmíì, country bòmíì ní Western world. Wọ́n kì í aṣoṣe, wọ́n kì í sọ wípé ọmọ Nàìjíríà làwọn pẹ̀lú ìgbésí ayé òfò àtàdánù tí ẹ̀yin political elite, ẹ̀yin leader òfò rádaràda, tẹ́ ẹ̀ live and you are not ready to change. Ẹ wo situation, ẹ wo bí tẹ́ bá yé Nàìjíríà jẹ́jẹ́ dédé lẹ́ni ṣe ẹ máa sọ wípé ẹ practice democracy. Between you and myself, ìwọ tó ń gbọ́ mi tó ń wò mí, are they practicing democracy in Nigeria or dictatorship? Especially from Baba Tinubu's regime. To me, I would say President Bola Tinubu practice dictatorship. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin leaders in Nigeria pátápátá àtàgbà àtọmọdé yín ọwọ́ ọlá lẹ fi ń gbá mẹ̀kúnnù lójú. Ẹ wo nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ láàrin Ààfẹ́ Babalọ́lá àti Délé Fárótìmí lórí pé ó kọ nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sínú ìwé tó ti launch láti June àbí July. Wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ rí nísìn. You see their life? You see their life? So tí Kemi Badenoch bá wá sọ wípé òun ò fẹ́ ní kankan ṣe pẹ̀lú yín, ṣé ọmọbìnrin yẹn jẹ̀bi? Kò jẹ̀bi now. Ọmọbìnrin yẹn ò jẹ̀bi. But come on, my northern people, and let me direct this message to my Vice President Kashim Shettima. This matter go long go. I dey yarn on her. I dey yarn sense, so no be pata. I know the yarn of pata, I dey yarn sense. This matter wey dey ground so e go long go. Vice President Shettima, for this matter where you carry on now about Kemi Badenoch, it don't even prove to us say your table for that Aso Villa is very empty. No job for you. You no get job at all. You can't look and say, wait till you go fit talk or where people go listen to you because you want trending. See my Nigeria Vice President, they fight for relevance. President want trend you, Vice President want trend you. No wahala, you don't the trend now. We don't the carry you. Shebi you want me we carry you before. You don't tell us say you no get any better job. No job at all for your table. Is they very empty. You can't look. You can't they look where you go shook head or shook mouth or where everybody go carry your video. We don't carry her. But leave Kemi Badenoch alone. My Yoruba people, may una know they quick forget something. No? I dey hail una and I dey call una at the same time. Una don't forget, una know they quick forget many things. So, but I go remind una this one. Now so then do to me talk arotile, they find that girl. It don't go. Now so they do. Whether they fight for land for Ilobu or they know they fight for land there. But for my own side, I know say it get northern hand there. They find Lagbaja of recent, they say get cancer. Now lie you know their way now. They go don't put something. You know how they operate. Now so they pay every one of them. No. They want switch go Kemi Badenoch. My Yoruba people where una they live for UK. I bet whether una like Kemi or una no like Kemi. May una still protect una own sister now. May una still protect una own sister. If you know they talk the way una want may talk. Anything where they una man, the way una they expect Kemi Badenoch may help una voice her out. She no come talk her. Una the verse. She know they behave like a Nigerian person, like a Yoruba person. She no favor una. She know they fight for una. She know they speak on behalf of una. She know they do this. She know they do that. I beg, may una no verse. May una no verse. May una no still allow these people. May they still find this sister. I beg, may we gather hand together. May we throw our support for this woman behind her now. May we support her now. May we protect her. But Kemi self don't they protect herself. See me see wahala. I beg, Vice President Shettima, I get one question where I want to ask you. This one where you can't carry Kemi Badenoch because he say he no one get contact with una for Nigeria. Why you call the pay una? The last time I check, no be you they go meet Nigeria bandit, the terrorist set of people where we see una. We even see the video where they come visit una. Where una they put hand for one plate, they eat, they smell, and they smile, they laugh there. Where una they do brother to brother. You never come out to come and condemn those people. I mean, you don't come out to come and condemn Lakurawa. You don't come out to condemn all those terrorists, different one. Where they not, because now they open a border, they carry all the terrorists where they the whole world. Now they invite them, say me they call Nigeria, Nigeria be their country. But Kemi Badenoch no be bandit too. Wait till you consign that lady now. Kemi Badenoch no dey Nigeria. She dey live for UK. And the Oyibo people, the Western world, your boss. Your boss now they colonize and now them still they rule Nigeria. Your boss they see and say she dey very useful. They carry her join body. But if Kemi Badenoch dey Nigeria, una go remember her. How many people like us will not remember for Nigeria there? Where they qualify? Una no go remember us now. I see say all the Nigerian citizens where we they live for diaspora, it get one thing or it get one area where Nigeria government they take support us for diaspora if we get one problem or the other. I don't know which country you they stay. But from my own side, there is nothing where Nigeria living in diaspora they gain from Nigeria government. Anytime you get problem for abroad, any kind of country where you they live, at your own peril, you know, if you like, run, go kitty, run, kata, go Nigeria embassy. Oh, if not lie, write am for comment section. Me ò parọ́. Ṣé mo parọ́ ni?
I am from the northern states. For the past 30 years, we've been called educationally disadvantaged. Okay? We are given lower cut-off scores to catch up. Have we caught up? It has only made people lazy. So, I'm sorry, madam. I'm sorry. I don't think we should hide behind fairness and say that everyone must be equal. The best we can do is to give people equal opportunity. Today, we live in a country in which, for federal government colleges, entrance exam, or JAMB, one state has a cutoff of X, and another state has a cutoff of 10 times X. And you say you are building a nation. You are not. You are creating bitterness from the grassroots.
Ǹjẹ́ ẹ mọ̀ wípé Kemi Badenoch náà ti dá Shettima lóhùn. Shettima ló sòkò sórùlé Kemi o. Ó ti padà gbóhùn onílé báyìí. Ọmọ kan ni ẹ o Kemi. Ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tẹ́ wà ní ìlú UK. Ẹ má wò. Ẹ má sọ wípé torí Kemi ò máa bá yín jáde kẹjọ máa fẹ̀gbẹ́kẹ̀gbẹ́ kẹ́ máa lọ party kẹjọ máa ṣe chuchuchu kiri. Gbogbo èèyàn kan ló like irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Mi dẹ̀ like ẹ o. Ó ní discipline ni, ó ní policy ni. Kò irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò ń ṣọ̀tẹ̀. Irú èèyàn bíi ti Kemi kò ń ṣalábòsí. Irú èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn á máa jẹ́ èèyàn kan tó jọ ó pé ó call a spade. Bí nǹkan bá ṣe rí ló ṣe máa sọ bọ̀ mú mọ̀ pé ẹ̀yin Yorùbá ẹ̀ kì í like irú àwọn èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Àwọn èèyàn tó máa ṣàbòsí ọlọ̀tẹ̀. Àwọn èèyàn tẹ́ especially tẹ́ bá rí wípé níyẹn ẹ ò rí lò. Èèyàn yẹn tẹ́ bá rò pé ẹ lè rí lò tìgbọ́n tẹ́ wà disappointed. Tó jẹ́ wípé ẹ fẹ́ tì sí bí ibi tẹ́ bá ti tì sí ibẹ̀ lẹ fẹ́ kó lọ àbí nǹkan tẹ́ bá sọ fún pé kó ṣe òun ni kó ṣe ibi tẹ́ bá fẹ́ kó jókòó ibẹ̀ ló máa jókòó tẹ́ ẹ bá ti rí àyè ṣe kinní yẹn fẹ́ nìyẹn the next thing èmi mọ̀ wá yín ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní generate ọ̀tá fún ìkejì ẹ wá máa bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní bà lórúkọ jẹ́ ẹ bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní parọ́ nǹkan tí ò ṣe ẹ máa pamọ́ gbogbo àwọn ẹ máa pamọ́ ẹ máa bà orúkọ ẹ jẹ́ káàkiri gbogbo àwọn tẹ́ bá mọ̀ ipò súnmọ́ anybody tẹ́ bá rí pò súnmọ́ àyíká àbí tó dárúkọ wípé ní òun acknowledge gbogbo ọ̀nà lẹ máa sáré láti lọ connect mẹ́ni yẹn because ìkẹta tẹ́ fẹ́ ṣe ni wípé ẹ fẹ́ mú kí ni ẹ fẹ́ yọ kúrò ní gbogbo everything wípé sẹ́ nígbà fún ẹ ò ní mọ̀ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ibi tí ojú ti tì yín ni wípé ọlọ́run ló rìn ìrìnàjò irú ẹ̀dá bẹ́ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin kọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sá eré bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ máa mófo bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe ń sá eré bẹ́ẹ̀ lẹ máa mófo ẹ fọmọ yìí lọ́rùn lẹ̀ òkè nítorí Kemi ò bọ́ síta láti máa sọ́pọ́tì ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìwà ìdá tí ẹ̀ ń wù ní UK àìmọye gbogbo wa lájọ́ mọ̀ àwa tá ń gbé ní UK ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa ẹ̀yin náà máa ń rí wípé ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ìwà míì wà ní ọwọ́ majority tó wà nílùú UK ńbẹ̀ tó jọ ń tì wá lójú ṣe irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ lè fẹ́ kí Kemi kó lọ máa support tó bá support irú nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn kò lè dé irú position tó dé yẹn torí pé kò ti máa bá yín máa ṣọ ẹgbẹ́ aṣọ ẹbí kẹjọ máa ṣe rádaràdá kiri náà ṣùgbọ́n òun náà ti wá fèsì ó ti dá Shettima lóhùn ẹ wá gbọ́ nǹkan tí ṣe tó sọ. Miss Badenoch's person hit back at the claims, saying Kemi is not interested in doing Nigeria's PR. Oh, ẹ fẹ́ fi ṣe public relation officer. Èyà kó lè jẹ́ intermediary láàrin ẹ̀yin Nigeria government àti Britico. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́rú lábẹ́ Britico. Àwọn Britico ti sọ́dọ̀mọ́. Hobby. Shettima, he dey pay you, oh, he dey pay you, he dey pay you. Ẹjọ́, ṣé Badenoch ní banditry? Shettima tí ò lè condemn àwọn terrorists tó sọ̀kalẹ̀ sí north tó jẹ́ pé northern àwọn ni wọ́n worship terrorists. Northern created terrorists. They worship terrorists. They live with terrorists. They eat with terrorists. Shettima has never come out and condemned them. Now you are condemning Kemi Badenoch for saying she doesn't want to have anything to do with you corrupt leaders. Tobe, you can't do hijack. Or not a suffering. Spokesperson Hibak had declared, saying Kemi is not interested in doing Nigeria's PR. She is the leader of the opposition in the UK. Hobby. He added, she tells the truth. Shetigbo, she rí àwọn criteria tí wọ́n rí lára Kemi, tí àwọn British kò ṣe rí wípé she's worthy. She's worthy. Tó fi fún ní babala opportunity ọmọ kékeré ààrẹ. Wọ́n ní Kemi tells the truth. She tells it the way it is. She's not going to couch her words. She stands by what she said. Oh my God, I said it. I said it. Àwọn olóòótọ́ èèyàn ni wọ́n máa ń hùwà bíi ti Kemi yẹn kò mí ìpò ṣónú kò ṣónú. Àwọn olórí burúkú tí wọ́n láìkì ìwà ẹ̀ náà máa sọ pé ó ṣónú ẹ kò ní wà kò ṣe kinní kan ìwà wo ló fẹ́ kó ní. Ẹjọ́ torí Ọlọ́run. Kò ṣe tó bá ń báyàn gbé àbí tó ń rí ẹni tá ìjọ ń ríra yín lójoojúmọ́ kò ṣe ní online o tẹ́ ẹ̀ fẹ́ gbẹ́kẹ̀gbẹ́ tẹ́ ẹ̀ ń ríra yín day in day out ló máa mọ̀ béèyàn kan níwà àbí yóò níwà. Orí social media ni máa ti rí téèyàn tí ò mọ bó ṣe live life akọ́dédé bọ́ síta torí pé wọ́n jọ sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ láìdá lẹ́yìn. Wọ́n wá ń wẹ́yàn torí wọ́n máa ń wáyàn tó máa tì síwájú láti gbógun tì ẹ́ láti bá ẹjà. Wàá kọ̀dédé rí akọ̀bọ́ síta ní á ní kò níwà. Ẹ gbà mí. Àwọn alábòsí á. Hey, again. The comment by Shettima appeared to refer to a series of remarks by the Miss Badenoch about Nigeria being corrupt when she grew up there and criticized the impact of socialism in the country. Ewa máa gbọ́ àwọn nǹkan tí inú fi bí àwọn Nigeria government tí Shettima ṣe ṣú ẹnu pọ̀. When running for the Tory leadership in 2022, she said, I grew up in Nigeria and I saw firsthand what happens when politicians are in need for themselves. When they use public money as their private piggy banks. Ṣé irọ́ ló ń pa? Àbí kò ṣe ẹ̀yin ilẹ̀ lọ sin owó sínú sókèwé. Ẹ̀yin kò lè lọ sin owó sínú bẹ̀rẹ̀ grand. Ẹ̀yin kò lè mú owó gbogbo Nigeria government á lọ yá owó ní Western world. All in the name pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi create nǹkan wọ́n fẹ́ fi ṣe nǹkan pharmacies aráàlú tó bá ti gbówó dé Nàìjíríà ìgbà iná máa mọ̀. Shettima, you did not condemn it when they used Nigeria borrowed money 60 billion naira to build a house for you in the north. Was Kemi Badenoch your problem then? Even last month, they borrowed another money and they removed 5 million for your house renovation in Lagos State. You have not come out to condemn. Shettima, go and say that if you don't have anything to say. We can say that you are jobless. You don't have any job on your table. It's as simple as ABC. I'll continue. When they use Kemi Badenoch ló ń sọ̀rọ̀ nǹkan tó bí Shettima nù rè o. Only when they use public money as their private piggy banks. When they promise the earth and pollute not just the ear, but the whole political atmosphere with their failure to serve order. Mogbe. Kemi Oro Buruku wà ń gbòòrò ẹnu tiẹ̀ náà. Ṣùgbọ́n mo like ẹ̀. Bá mi jùlù wọn okòrà pàtàkì tí ṣalágbá pèsè fọmọ wọn lórí. Yes. The worst ẹ sọ pé kó má wà Nàìjíríà o. Rọ́dọ̀rọ́dọ̀ wèrè lẹ́jọ́. Only I saw what socialism is for millions. It's poverty and broken dreams. I came to Britain to make my way in a country where hard work and honest endeavor can take you anywhere. Ṣé ń gbáyé? Iye o. Iye o. Iye o. Iye. Ṣó fẹ́ gbọ́? Ẹ wá wo irú product tí Nigeria political elite tí wọ́n produce fún masses as a governor, even as a senator or whatever. Ẹ wá wo product tí APC ẹgbẹ́kẹ́gbẹ́ tí wọ́n produce tí wọ́n force lé àwọn ará Edo lọ́rùn. My Edo people, I hail you. Abeg, Congo yẹra.
The Edo State 2025 appropriation bill of 605 billion 76 million 76 let me take it again. 506 billion, 605 billion, sorry, 776 billion, sorry, it's confusing me. Okay, Six.
Order in the house, please. Mr. Speaker must be held in silence, please.
605 billion, and details of the budget proposal for your consideration and approval. Thank you for your kind consideration.
Onayera, na the Edo new governor be that after Obaseki, Okpebolo, abi wetin be ne? Hey. After all, my Edo people now go come and say, I don't know the carry last. I don't carry last 30. Me, I know they hear that word from the mouth again. No. Which I don't know the carry last. I don't know go carry last. I go carry this kind governor. I go allow Oshio Mole, Osho Baba to force this kind person put for on a neck. Where una get better people, educated fellow, where fi stand out, where know what he supposed do, what he supposed talk. On a sit down there, they sell on a vote, they sell them for 15,000, 3,000, 10,000. They collect a loaf of bread. After on a collect a loaf of bread and 3,000, between 3, 5, 10, 15, yes, for votes. Now the kind of results when on a go get be this. On a don't get my Edo people, this one a disgrace, oh. Forever a disgrace to you people. Me una know they talk again. Say una know they carry last. Una don't carry last. Tete. Anywhere that they talk matter for Nigeria. Me una know they talk. Me una know they shoot mouth put to. Me una know they shoot mouth put. Una know see this kind of disgrace. Where they disgrace una after una will come and they carry and they make mouth like say waiting. Disgrace lele loto. Ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀yin lẹ máa yé yín. Ṣé rí gbogbo wọn. Ẹjọ́ ṣé ẹ fẹ́ fi Kemi Badenoch ìwé Okpebolo àbí kí ló ń jẹ́ gan pàápàá kò tí ẹ yé yín. Ẹ kó rádaràdá lọ́dànù. Ẹ̀yin tèmi mi fẹ́ kí fídíò yìí gùn jù. Má gbàgbé láti bá mi share fídíò yìí. Má gbàgbé láti list sí. Má sì gbàgbé láti drop comment. Mo sì tún yín bẹ̀ ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá tó wà nílùú UK. Ẹ má jẹ́ wọ́n tún frustrate lady mọ́ yín lọ́wọ́ náà. Wọ́n pa tó mi tọ́pẹ́ Arótilé. Wọ́n sì tún tẹpa Lágbájá. Ṣé tún fẹ́ kán tún pa iye ilé náà ni. Gbogbo product Yorùbá ló máa ká gbogbo Nigerian tribe lára. Why be say every other tribe for Nigeria? Anyway, where they see say Nigeria they lead one thing or they do great things. The thing they pepper their body, they go begin they shout, they condemn. Why? After some go come, every time Yoruba. Now so God created us now. God has made us Lord over Nigeria. Now so it go be to the end. All I say for you, if you was may una leave us, may we stand on our own as a Nigerian Yoruba nation. Yes, we don't reach to stand on our own. Now the only thing where we want from him be that, nothing less. Shettima, be one. Má gbàgbé láti subscribe sórí YouTube channel. Support my brand. Àbí wọ́n náà wà lára àwọn tó ń short ẹni. Má lọ sẹ́dẹ̀. Ó ti kẹtàn, ó ti látàn. Kí sáré yẹ ìyá ni ṣe é ṣe kíní kan. Ọlọ́tẹ̀ ni yín mi ò short ẹ̀. Tí Yorùbá ni ṣe lè tèmi ṣe ò bá tẹ́ lọ́rùn. Pọ̀ sókè rajà.